beautiful kids and people of the world. Today's story is about true love and how we can overcome mountain of problems if we only stay positive. This and so much more we can learn from Thumbelina. There once lived a small, beautiful girl. She was scarcely half as long as a thumb, so they gave her the name of Thumbelina. She slept at night in a bed made of walnut shell, padded with soft down, and she covered herself with leaves. Imagine she was as tiny as my thumb, like this. One day, a large toad saw the sleeping girl and thought that she would make a pretty wife for her son. So she decided to kidnap the girl. When Thumbelina woke up, she got very scared. "Mother, she is so ugly," the toad croaked reluctantly and hid himself in the rushes. His mother jumped after him. Isn't it funny? Beauty truly is in the eye of the beholder. Yeah, I think she's beautiful. When Thumbelina was alone again, her eyes filled with tiny tears. Suddenly, a beautiful, colorful butterfly appeared next to her. "Help me," the girl cried. "I don't know how to get back home." The butterfly smiled. Then he tied a belt around his waist and told the girl to hold on to him. Soon, he was carrying the leaf with Thumbelina sitting on it towards the shore. That's what I call a lucky escape. Suddenly, a big beetle appeared. He grabbed the girl and flew with her to a tree. Buzz, buzz. The other insects were buzzing with disgust. "She is not a suitable wife for you. She hasn't got enough wings, no legs." The beetle placed the girl on a meadow and flew away. Thumbelina now lived a lonely life. She drank nectar and dewdrops and slept under a burdock leaf. Imagine that. Now, unfortunately, I don't have a beetle to show you, but I can draw you one. So, let me see. So, a beetle looks something like this. It has a head, and it has the thorax, right? Two antennas, and this is his abdomen. Oh, and it has wings. So something like that. And his eyes. And because it's an insect, so it has 6 legs. Okay, so let's just draw 6 legs. Okay, so that's gonna be 1 and 2 and 3, 4. That's it. This is our handsome boy. This is a beetle. Okay, so what happens next? Soon, severe winter came. Searching for shelter, the girl came up against a mouse hole. The landlady took her in. One day, a mole as black as night paid Thumbelina and the mouse a visit. For the whole evening, he was telling boring and gloomy stories. Finally, the mole invited his neighbors to his place. So the next day, when they were walking in the darkness through a long passage leading to the mole's house, they found a dead swallow. I like his lantern. This sight reminded Thumbelina of the happy, sunny summertime. When she came back to the mouse's den, she could not sleep. She slipped out quietly and went to look at the bird. Snuggling up to the bird, she burst into tears. Suddenly, she heard the bird's heartbeat. Gun, gun, gun. The swallow was not really dead. He was only benumbed with the cold. So Thumbelina wrapped the bird in a quilt made of grass and fed him. From then on, every day she secretly went there to take care of her friend. I am so happy that he is not dead. I like swallows. Well, I actually like every bird. When spring came, the swallow regained his strength. Fly with me, Thumbelina, the swallow said, getting ready to fly. You'll go back to the meadow. You'll play with butterflies again. I'd love to, but I can't leave my caretaker. She's been so kind to me. The swallow fluttered his wings and flew away. Soon, the mouse told the girl that the mole had asked for her hand. Hearing this, Thumbelina ran out of the house. She did not want to become the wife of such a boring mole and to spend the rest of her life under the ground without sun and flowers. I knew it. He looked way too elegant wearing his top hat, had a bouquet of flowers, and even a pocket watch. Can you imagine to live under the earth in dark for the rest of your life? What's more, his hands are always dirty because he's digging tunnels and holes. Suddenly, she heard a familiar voice. Fly with me. Fly with me over the sea. This time the girl ignored the mouse's threats. She jumped on the back of the swallow and they flew away to warm country. There, Thumbelina became the wife of the most beautiful of the elves and lived happily ever after. You see, where there's a will, there's a way. At the beginning, it really seemed to me that she is the most unluckiest girl in the world. First being kidnapped by a toad, and then by a beetle, And lastly, a mole wants to marry her. But I really admire her positivity. She was very patient and stayed positive. And this is how her patience was rewarded. Parents, if you would like your kids to learn how to read fluently in just 4 months, teach them phonemic awareness, and kids as young as 2 years old can learn how to read fluently. For more information, visit the description below. Subscribe for other storybooks reading with motivational messages.